You know me, I'm Ranjana ma'am from Jaipur Javiers, and I'm going to teach you SST today again. And you know that the Jaipur Javiers has brought for you online classes, and you should do your study properly at home, stay at home, don't go out, and you know that all over is suffering from COVID-19, and this is a big problem for our country. You know that very well. So my dear students, I am going to teach you a topic, because first topic I have told you about the history. What is the history, how we feel about history, and how we feel boring like history and all I have taught you. But today we are going to start the proper chapter of French Revolution. What was the French Revolution? I will like to tell you. That was the French Revolution was on the French Revolution on the morning of 14th July 1789, the people of Paris has been called by King. King have said that all the people have to come and gather in the town hall. Why? Because there was a big problem. A major problem has come there. Some problem has come, and why the problem has come, and all the people has to gather, and mostly people have gathered, it is men and women. 7,000 people have gathered there. 7,000 men and women, आदमी और औरत सभी इकट्ठा हुए थे, कलेक्ट हुए थे. कहाँ पे? पेरिस में. पेरिस में टाउन हॉल में, टाउन हॉल के बाहर. बिकॉज किंग का ऑर्डर था. इट वॉज द ऑर्डर ऑफ किंग दैट ऑल द पीपल ऑफ पेरिस हैज टू बी कलेक्टेड देयर. सबको यहाँ पे इकट्ठा होना है. इट वॉज द बिग प्रॉब्लम. दे डिसाइडेड फ्रॉम द पीपल्स मिलिट्री. दे ब्रोक इन टू द मेंबर ऑफ गवर्नमेंट buildings and search of arms. So many people have gathered there. 7,000 people have gathered there. इतने लोग इकट्ठा हुए थे. ये एक बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम थी. और एक साथ 7,000 लोगों का टाउन हॉल के बाहर इकट्ठा होना, इट वॉज वेरी बिग. सभी आए थे बिकॉज they want, all the people have different or the other problem. बट उनको किंग ने बुलाया था क्योंकि वहां पे प्रॉब्लम आ गया था. फ्रेंच में प्रॉब्लम आया था ड्यू टू मिलिट्री साइड से. उनको बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम आया था, इसलिए उन्होंने गैदर होने के लिए बोला था, इकट्ठा होने के लिए बोला था. इतने लोग वहां पे आए थे. दे हैव कम देयर. सो देयर वाज द हेड ऑफ कमांडर. हेड ऑफ कमांडर बेस्टेल वर किल्ड, जिसको मार दिया गया था. was died. So king have called all the people. So people has come. But on that time many people has come and they wanted to tell about the bread, about their daily bread. जो वहां पे खाने पीने की समस्याएं थी, सबसे बड़ी समस्या पेरिस में, they wanted to tell about that. तो वहां पे सबको तो इसलिए बुलाया गया था. वाई? बिकॉज दे हैव कॉल्ड अबाउट द कमांडर बेस्टेल हैज डाइड. ही वाज किल्ड एंड इट वाज अ बिग सिचुएशन हैज कम ऑन द कंट्री. इट वाज अ बिग प्रॉब्लम हैज कम ऑन आवर कंट्री. कंट्री के ऊपर बहुत बड़ी समस्या आ गई थी, इसलिए सबको बुलाया गया था. दैट वाज द बिग प्रोफेशनल पर्सन, द बेस्टली वेयर द people to find hardened ammunition. So mainly people have come. In the armed fight that followed, the commander of Besley was killed. And they have thought there were only 7 of them. yet the beastly was hated by all. Because if you think people are hungry, लोगों को अगर उनको ऐसे लगा कि the only in commander there was a 7 people, उनमें से एक बेस्ली था, was killed by the people, लोगों के द्वारा मार दिया गया था. But the people mostly have come, they wanted to raise about the bread. और उसमें से भी लोग जो खाने पीने की चीजें थी, उनकी डेली की ब्रेड्स था, और भी उनको खाने के लिए बहुत मुश्किल से मिलता था. So they want to rise up. This was the big problem of the fortress was demolished and its stone fragments were sold in the markets to all those who wasted a keep all the wasted thing they have kept. They wanted to talk about that. They wanted to discuss about that. The bread, this was the big problem. And the people, if people don't have anything to eat, they don't have anything to do, that's a big problem. So they have come because the king, when the king has called, they came there. And they raised their problem. This was the big thing, Hawaii. So, this is the thing, beta. All of you, I will like to tell you, you all will do the work when I will give the work. And after this video, you must take out your book. After seeing this video, take out your book and read chapter 1, French Revolution. I will like to tell you, read chapter 1, French Revolution. I am giving you some question answers. I have made some questions and you have to do this assignment. Thank you.